Okay, today's instruction values is how to set up the Comfrey AMS airflow station, which will monitor the supply fan or exhaust fan CFM. So basically on the front screen here, you have the OK, the up and down arrows, and then underneath you're going to have your positive and negative port, and then here's the access that you have to press to get inside. So let's open it up and see what we have on the inside. Here is your up and down arrows, the OK button. Down in here is your terminal block, which is terminal 1, 2, and 3. Terminal 1 is going to be the 24 volts DC in. The center terminal 2 is going to be your 0 to 10 volts DC out going to the ALC controller. Terminal 3 is your common. Down in here is your dip switches. All you want to make sure that is dip switch 3 is on to the on position. Okay, next thing you need to do is look up what wheel you have and what CFM the supply or exhaust fan blower is running at. So once you know your CFM based off the work order and your wheel you have in here, you can set up the switch now. So let's go in and we're going to come in and hit the OK button to set up our airflow. So you hit the OK button and then you're going to use the up and down arrows to come in and set up the different CFM. So our order said it was 24, so let's go through and set that up. So basically here are your ranges. You go from 1, 3, 5, 10, 30, 50, 100, 300, 500, 1,000, or 3,000. So since our order was set up for 2,400, we're going to leave it at 3,000. Then you come in and hit the OK button. Next, you need to set up your K factor. So based off of the wheel that you have in there, you're going to come in and set the K factor. You have different columns, so it's flashing. You would use the up and down arrows to change that number in that column. Once that is set, we're going to come back and set that to 1. You hit the OK button, and then it moves over to the right to set the next number and so on. So once that number is set based off the up and down, you keep hitting the OK button and you go through the different columns, and once your K factor is set up, you hit the OK button and then your Cometer is all set up, and that's all it takes to set up a Cometer to check your CFM for your supply or exhaust fan.